Hello everyone, I'm Swati. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing good. Today I'm going to share you a DIY accent wall for a brick stone wall. Yes, I'm going to do it for my living room accent wall, which is currently in a very light grayish color. I'm going to do it in a way that it suits the overall room, and it has to be very natural, cohesive and subtle in nature. I think if I can do it, you can do it as well. Before going into the video, please subscribe to my channel so you get the regular updates. And without wasting any time, let's jump right ahead and do it. This is the living room and this is my accent wall, which is in light gray color, and you can see my daughter how excited she is since the time we got the color for it. Now to start off, we have started with making patterns. These are little stone and brick patterns that I'm making. I'm leaving equal gaps, and I asked my daughter to try her hands on and try creating few bricks as well. And with her little help, we are able to finish off the entire wall, and we are now ready to start off with the coloring part. So we are going with the light gray luster paint for the bricks and stones. Now here we are started with the painting of wall. We are using the first medium gray color for few of the stones. As you can see, we have started from the bottom and we'll go till the top. So here I am painting the upper part of wall, and I decided to give a light grey contrast as well to get that natural stone brick wall feel into it. Now finishing the wall from top left corner, and this is how the wall has come up. It's looking okay, but the bricks are not really coming up and is not really cohesive or relatable to the other colors. So I decided to highlight the bricks with the white color by filling the gaps in between so as to outshine the patterns we have made. After filling with white in the gaps, I decided to brush up a little bit with beige color so as to match with the other colors in the room and make it look more cohesive. So I took a little brush and popped up beige color on a few random bricks, something like this. As soon as I completed few random bricks with beige color on the whole wall, I realized that it's not really coming out and I'll have to fill in the whole brick with beige color. Now here is my helping hand helping to cover the beige brick walls. So this is how it has come up, and finally loving the whole new look, cohesive with the passage area and enhancing my living room altogether. Now with little final arrangement with the table and wall decor, I'm all set. Looking at this, honestly, it makes me very happy and proud, and it helps uplift my creativity. If you like this, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned because many more makeovers are coming. That's it from my side. Thank you. Bye bye.